Meaning of galah.
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 Galah. Galah is a word commonly used in Australia to refer to a pink and grey species of cockatoo. These birds are well known for their distinctive appearance, loud calls, and playful behavior. In addition to being popular pets, galahs are also known for their intelligence and sociability. Outside of Australia, the term galah is sometimes used colloquially to describe someone who is silly or foolish. However, in its original context, galah is a cherished part of Australian wildlife and culture, and a symbol of the country's unique biodiversity.